out in Colorado, in the Camp Bird mine, down deep in the darkness, on level 9, where the water trickles and your blood runs cold. There's a lonesome miner still looking for gold. He's way down deep. He never sees the snowfall, never knows the spring, 'cause it's eternal midnight where he does his thing. He never feels the sunlight, doesn't need the moon. He's had his lamp a-burning since 92. He's way down deep. They say you never see him, you just know he's there. But you can hear his hammer in the devil's lair, where the silver sparkles and your blood runs cold. There's a phantom miner still looking for gold.